Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is my first ever video on SwiftUI for kids. So today, on my whole channel, we're going to be using Swift Playground. It's a free app that you can get on iPad. You can also get it on a MacBook if you have that. But yeah, let's get started. So basically, if you go into Swift Playgrounds and then make a new app, it should look just like this. So let's just go out here. These are all my other projects. I have a million. So just create a new app. It should load up just like that. Just wait for the preview to load on the right hand side. So while we're doing that, first we're going to talk about creating a counter. So this video is going to be teaching you guys how to create a basic counter app in SwiftUI. There will be a plus and minus button, and then the number on top that you are adding and subtracting to. So first, let's just make a quick text command. Now, this channel is not for SwiftUI basics. Some of the videos might be on one topic mostly though. So if you don't know how to make text, it's just text, capital T, parentheses, and then in quotation marks, you would type whatever you're typing. So let's start with 33, 0. I'm just going to do 0. Now I'm just going to delete this. That's just there by default. And now text, and we'll make it say 0. So I'm going to explain some other stuff, other SwiftUI basics and SwiftUI commands in other videos. But you can watch those before this if you want to. So you can actually know how to do some of the stuff here, but right now we'll just be talking about how to make a counter. So text, and under here, you can make a quick horizontal stack, and then make a button with this format, action. We don't have to put anything there yet. And then the label will be text, and then plus. And now, right before this, we can actually copy this, then paste it right there, and make this minus. Alright, and now let's make these buttons look better, more neat. So first we're going to do dot bold, make them bold, and then dot fonts, and I like doing font dot title. That looks big enough, I think. And now we can just do the same modifiers for here, font dot title. And if you don't like that, and if you want it to be a little larger, you can do large title. And then if you want to control it, basically, and then be able to be free with the sizes, you can do font.system. This is what I like to do. And then you can do the system size. 70, I'll do 65. Let's copy this, and then paste it, alright, really bad at this today. Alright, and then paste it right there. Now these are both 65. They don't do anything yet though. Now we can have a foreground color of color.white. And now, looks pretty bad, but trust me, it'll work. Padding, and then background, and we'll give it a color of color.red since it's subtracting. And now dot corner radius, let's give it 50. And then let's copy from here down, and then paste it right here. And we can just change this to blue, but everything else should be the same. Now you got your plus and minus button. You should not have any errors. And if you want to make this bigger, I'm going to do bold, font dot dot system, same as those, size 70. Let's do 70. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Now we just got to make these buttons do something. So first you want to create a variable, a state variable to be exact. So you can just type in @state var to do counter, and let's make the variable equal to 0. And now we can go into this text and make it an interpolated string of the variable counter. So to do that, you just need to do backslash in parentheses, and then inside of those parentheses, do the variable name that you're doing. Alright, should not have any errors. That's what I always do when I'm checking for something. I check to make sure there are no errors first. So now it's just time to make the buttons function. So in the plus button, inside of the body of the action, you can just do self.counter plus equals 1. I'm going to do 1, but you can do whatever you want to do. Now, since the 0 has a variable of the counter, whenever you click this, the counter will go up 1. Therefore, this goes up 1 every time you click the plus button. And now you just got to do, for the minus button, self.counter minus equals 1. And there you go. Your very own working counter made in SwiftUI. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on another video.